This anti-theft backpack comes with anti-theft design technology. Zipper of main pocket is fully hidden in the back of this bag. No thief will easily open your backpack. Equipped with a secret pocket which behind the bag. It's super good for travel, work or school. Integrated USB charging port, illuminating safety strips, water repellent fabric, weight balance, luggage strap, adjustable open angles, advanced storage design and shockproof design. Multi-purpose, dimensions, can keep laptops of maximum 15.6-inch screen size. Comes with premium 600D Oxford fabric. Shoulder strap has special pockets to store public transportation cards for easy access. Key features of this bag is anti-theft casual waterproof backpack for men and women for stylish office use as well as for trendy college and school students. Charging on the go. With our attached charging dock, now charging on the go is easier than before. Important note, we do not provide free portable charger with the bag.